My name is David Yount. I'm currently self-employed, financing wheelchair vans for people with disabilities. I started hearing the buzzword quite often in ChatGPT, which I think everybody is, or at least they're starting to. And so that got me really interested in finding a resource to help learn how to use it better. So I had looked at a number of different courses and sites that offered training. When I looked at the Evyrgreen AI, it just seemed really simple to use. I watched the introduction video. I kind of went through, saw that it was different modules. And I thought with my schedule, that would be something that I could do in bite-sized chunks. It was great. I literally went into it, complete layman, knew nothing about even what ChatGPT was. I just kept seeing it and seeing people recommend that you needed to learn it. And I was blown away that even within a couple modules, it's like, oh, okay, I get it. So it was just very effective training for me to pick up how to use it. And I've already started implementing it with my business in pretty significant ways. It's already started to help just in writing business plans, in writing advertisements, in creating posts. Gosh, just in terms of how much more effective it's making the advertising and the ability to word things better, word things in a simpler way that's more digestible to our audience. I mean, tens of thousands, if not more. It's significant. I mean, right off the top of my head, it's going to save at least 20 grand a year, which is what we're currently spending in writers. There's certain things that we have to put together, and I have to outsource getting materials rewritten. And that alone, I'm already, just because of the Evergreen course, I'm already able to do that myself. Well, I would say to that person the same thing that I've told my friends, I've told my personal coach, I've told my business partner. I'm like, look, you got to sign up for this course. The cost is minimal, and what you learn, it's an absolute no-brainer. I mean, the amount of money that it's going to save in our business is already saving us, and the amount of money that it's going to help us to increase revenue-wise, it would make no sense not to do it. I found the quality of all the materials to be outstanding. The videos are not extremely long. They're not too short, but they're not, overly lengthy, because I am challenged with my attention span sometimes. They were bite-sized chunks that were very easy to digest. I've taken some courses where the audio and the video isn't that great. The audio and video was absolutely stellar. The workbooks are impeccable. No typos, just very well laid out. And I didn't see a lot of fluff. A lot of online programs I've taken, there's just a bunch of needless stuff that really kind of weighs everything down. Everything was direct, it was to the point, it gave me the information I needed and didn't waste my time. Tutorials in the program were outstanding. Whoever was presenting it did a phenomenal job. The video quality was excellent, the audio quality was excellent. There wasn't a lot of filler, it was direct, it was to the point. And it gave me what I needed to learn. I started the course because I sensed that this was an emerging technology that I really needed to start to learn quickly. And Evyrgreen AI is the way that you can learn this very quickly, start using it immediately. I was surprised that I was using it 30 minutes later and in an effective way. I would say it's a must-have for any business.